When it comes to time, you only have two options. Either you can master it or you can waste it. I know you already using Google Calendar to schedule your entire day, entire week, or you are using any task reminder apps, task scheduling apps. You are using a lot of applications to stay productive. But it's quite easy scheduling your time in case if you're entrepreneur, business owner, even freelancer, you should clear on one thing. You should schedule your entire day. Okay, by today I'm going to spend my time on client outreach, client talk, or I'm spending my time on creating content. You should schedule your entire day to stay productive and get most from your work. But as I said before, as a business owner, I'm always sitting in front of my PC. I'm always working on blah blah stuff. In entire day, I'm switching between multiple applications, whether it's YouTube, Notion, even Notepad, or it's like editing application, learning application, client work. I'm spending my time on a lot of things, lot of application. Even I'm in Chrome, I'm switching between multiple tabs like YouTube, LinkedIn, lot of applications, right? There is high chances I easily get distracted by any one of the application. In case I'm building lead list for my marketing service, there is high chances I get distracted by Reddit or other applications. Even in YouTube, there are high chances, right? That's where time tracking application comes to play the game. I'm not talking about time scheduling, time management applications. It's time tracking application. I'm spending my time on which application. In case I'm editing my video, I'm spending my time on video editing application. In case I'm spending my time on client talk, client outreach, client content creation, overall client stuffs. Okay, I'm spending my time on this. In case I'm spending my time on my content creation, like my YouTube video editing, my LinkedIn YouTube video content, scripting, there are a lot of things, right? I should so clear on I'm spending my time on air. That's where I'm using time tracking application. Actually, yesterday I installed 10 plus time tracking application in my PC. So in this video I'm going to reveal one by one. You no need to be sit and research every single thing, this best. I'm going to keep this video in two angles. One is price wise, is this application free, it's or less price, and another angle is it's have good features and it interface wise, UI looks good. I'm going to keep this video in these two themes. So without wasting time, let's jump into my laptop and see which application best for you. Okay, at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal my personal favorite time tracking application that's complete free. It's UI wise good and it have good features, a lot of things. So in case if you want to know that, in case you don't have time, just scroll this video to end and find that. Okay, without wasting time, let's start the video. You can see I installed bunch of application in my laptop. DeskTime, Toggl. I installed a lot of things. Actually, I didn't installed some of the application because I don't want to dump my laptop, right? So that's why I didn't install that. Okay, let's go one by one. Actually, I created a simple Notion document. Actually, this is my script. Okay, you can see my script. Actually, I tested multiple bunch of applications. Actually, I tested more than 8, but I like to keep this video pretty short and straightforward to value your time. Okay, without any doubt, Rize is the single best application when it comes to time tracking, time management. Actually, I tested every single application, but Rize is UI wise and functionality wise, it's best. You can say I'm going to open my Rize application. Actually, you can see there is a detailed report of you spending your time on where. The cool thing is you can go to categories. You can see you're spending your time on, in case if you are in a Chrome, in case if you spending your time on where, you can see I'm spending 23 minutes on Notion, Rize, google.com, Clockify. Yesterday only I installed this application for demo purpose to showcase you. It's showcasing detailed report, right? I'm spending on which application, which platform, which is productivity, which is documenting. You can say I'm clicking this. It's showcasing, yeah, I'm spending on this Notion, I'm spending 23 minutes. It giving complete details. But the problem is this is not free. This application is not free. They offering a free trial, I think, but even though they offering free trial, I'm not a big fan of that because it will keeps last one day details only and deletes before details. So it's stupid, right? It's time wasting, right? So I'm not a big fan of this. It have a lot of features. You can set timer, Pomodoro, a lot of options out there. You can create tasks, you can manage team, It have tons and tons of feature, but the problem is it's not free. Yeah, it's free for one person, but it's stupid. You can't retain 1 day data only. We cannot do nothing with that, right? So in case if you want entire feature, you can pay $9 per month, but I don't I don't I don't want to pay money for time tracking application. That's the idea. Okay, in my list, Rize is the single best application, but it's not free. It's automatically track your entire application. In case I'm spending my time on YouTube, or in case I'm spending my time on LinkedIn, it will tracks everything. You can see the detailed version of this. It will tracks in case I'm spending my time on LinkedIn, in case I'm spending my time on YouTube, it will tracks every single thing. Okay, I'm not big fan of Rice because it's not free. Okay, let's move to the next tool, Toggl. Yeah, Toggl is the all-rounder application. Actually, it have a lot of feature, tons and tons of feature. You can track your team, you can create tasks, project, you can have the calendar view of you spending your time on where. But the problem is it have tons of feature. Actually, they have free option to option as well. You can see there are unlimited time tracking, unlimited project, everything is free. But the problem is UI wise they are not good. They are missing in UI part. Actually, the UI looking so ugly, I think, because it have a lot of features, but it takes some learning curve. It UI wise, just see this color, I don't like this color. They you can see this is so ugly. You can see even though if you click the report, it's showcasing some details, right? But I not like this UI overall. They have the application as well. You can install it, will automatically tracks in background like Rize, but you can see this UI is not good. Yeah, I don't know why I'm hating this application, but I'm not big fan of this. You can see they have the desktop application. You can create tasks, project. They have Pomodoro as well. You can set the timer, skip the break. It's a lot of things, but I'm not big fan of this application. You can block your time, a lot of things, but I'm not big fan of this. I don't like this interface actually. So that's the first thing. Okay. Okay, as this is the second application. It have tons of feature. You can track time, manage, you can track your billing, a lot of feature, but I'm not big fan of that. But it also have a lot of integration. Actually, you can integrate your Google Calendar, iCalendar, Outlook. There are a lot of integration out there, but I'm not big fan of this. They have the Google Chrome extension, but as I said before, UI wise this application is worst. I don't like this at all. You can see I'm not against Toggl, but I don't like that. I don't know why. Okay, let's move to the next application, Clockify. Actually, Clockify is the single best application. It have all of the feature. Just say I'm landing on my Clockify dashboard. It's simple, lightweight. It have all feature. It's complete free. The thing is, it's complete free. You no need to pay single rupee. It tracking everything. You spending your time on which application, which tab. It will track everything. In case if you want to use for team, still you can use it. You can get a lot of features in Clockify. You can see I spent on this amount of time, this project, a lot of things. You can use their application as well. Actually, I installed Clockify application, but still it have features. It's complete free. Everything good, looks good, fine, but it's UI wise it's not good, I think, because yeah, it looks little bit good. You can type anything like lead, scrape. You can start the timer. It will automatically tracks your entire thing. In case if you're spending your time on which project like that, you can spend the project name and you can customize everything. And it also have a lot of things you can play around with setting it out. Let's just say it, you can set a shortcut as well. In case if you pressing some key, it will automatically opens. And it have a lot of features like you can track time automatically whenever you starting your laptop, turning on your laptop. The awesome thing is it have automatic tracking feature. You can see it tracks everything. You spending your time on where Rize, I spend time on Rize, how much time. starting time, ending time, duration 1 minute I spending on Rize, and I spending my time on Instagram, I spending my time on LinkedIn, Classroom. And you can see you spending your time on which application. You can see Fvrt running air, Rize, Fvrt recorder, Clockify. It tracks everything. You that you can open this application. You can say, okay, I'm spending 1 hour on Rice, I'm spending 1 hour on YouTube. It will records everything. In case if you're using a YouTube application, in case if you're using YouTube in this Chrome tab itself, it will record that as well. But the problem is I don't like this UI. Just say it's not, I don't like this interface. Yeah, it looks simple, clear, but I don't like this interface. So I'm not using Clockify as well, but it's free. The thing is, it's complete free. It's working so cool. It have a lot of features, integrations, but I don't like this. So okay, let's move to the next application, that is Paymo. Actually, this is also a good application. They have the free option as well. Just I'm opening my Paymo application. Actually, I installed Paymo, but they have a little bit problem over it. Actually, um, I install Paymo application, but they don't allow me uninstall this application. I'm forcibly uninstalled from C drive. So they have a lot of features. I think you can track your time, you can add your project, you can add a lot of things. I think if you logged in, it will launch you on to the Paymo dashboard. But I'm not big fan of this. They have a lot of feature, project, people, time management, time reports. You can see you spend your time on which blah blah stuff, but I don't like this. I don't know why, because UI looks good, but I don't like it. Have a lot of features, integration, but I want a Rice like application that should have track background as well. Yeah, it have the desktop application you can install and track in background, but I don't like this application. It's have a lot of features. In case if you're small medium-sized business, you can definitely give it a try. In case you're a freelancer as well, you can give it a try, but I'm not big fan of this. It's working cool, it's working solid, but I'm not big fan of this. I'm not like this. I don't know why. UI wise, it's missing something. Actually, sorry guys, I think yes, clock actually running in my background. It's annoying. It's tick 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 is sound like that, but now I turned off. Okay, as I said before, UI is good and it have a lot of features, a lot of things, but I don't like the Paymo application. In case if you want, you can install it. Have desktop and mobile apps as well. Okay, let's move to the next. The next one is tracking time. Yeah, actually I like this application. It's lightweight. You can land on their website, a lot of things. You can land on their website. Actually see, it's this also complete free. You no need to pay single rupee. You can track your time, you can create tasks, you can create project. It have a lot of features. UI wise also it looks pretty good, but as I said before, I don't like this application as well. I don't know why. It's not giving entire detail like Rice, but it's simple. You can see it's complete free, 0 rupees. In case if you're a freelancer, solo entrepreneur, you can use for startups, freelance, lean teams like that. So in case if you want a free application, you can give it try to this as well. You can see interface wise, it's so cool. You can block your time, create your task, a lot of features, but again I'm not big fan of this. I don't know why. You can get a clear report of you spending your time on where like that, but again I'm not using this application as well. I don't know why. They are giving a lot of features. You can simply click this start button, you can expand, and once you completed a project, you can stop that. It working so cool. You can say it have super nice dashboard. You can create project, you can track everything, but again I don't know why I'm not liking this application. Actually they have the desktop application as well. You can open. Actually the UI wise, this application is so cool. It's so easy to use. You can add any details like a client outreach. You can create project, task, anything you want. But again, I'm not using this application as well. I don't know why. You can see it starts tracking my time. You can see previous day details, but I don't like this application as well. I don't know why. You can get project, task, everything. But I don't know. I'm not okay. You can track in background as well. You can block your time. You can create your own task in case if you missed something. You can enter the things manually, but again, I'm not using this application as well. I don't know why. You can simply stop this. It will automatically updates on your dashboard in fraction of second. I'm not using this application as well, so let's close this app as well. In case if you want a free app, it have good features, good interface, you can use this, but I'm not big fan of this. I don't know why. Okay, let's move to the next application, that is TimeCamp. Again, it's a complete free application. It has a lot of features. You can track teams, you can track your time. Actually, in this entire list, this is only application having good user interface. You can see how much time spent by today. You can filter by day, week, month. You can filter by anything. You can see per day I'm spending how much time total. I'm spending how much time undistracted, how much time. It's showcasing super clear. You can see by Tuesday, Wednesday, by today. It's working. You can see I'm spending my time on Flimora, Google Chrome, Notion. Actually, I used Notion with Notion web version that tracked here. You can see it tracked everything. It giving a cute dashboard on the thing. I'm spending 22 minutes on productivity stuff, design stuff, other stuff, office stuff. You can see I'm spending my time on which stuffs. And you can click this view. You can see it showcases everything crisp and clear. Filmora and other things like Windows Explorer, Instagram, Rize, Gmail. You can see the detailed version of this. You can see I spent 8 minutes on Notion, Google Docs. It's working so cool. You can filter by projects as well. It's complete free. The thing is, it's complete free. You can get a detailed summary. It giving you everything that you want. You can see sites, which sites you use, goals, efficiency. It's complete free because and the UI is also it's working so cool. It have the desktop application. Actually, this is the small widget. Like I think I wait a minute. I will showcase you. You can see show widget. You can see it's tracking your time in background. Because if you're using a Notion in Chrome browser, it will track that as well. Whatever the application, like in case if you are using Canva, that will track that as well. That will showcase you, okay, you used Canva in Chrome 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. It will showcase everything. In case if you're using whatever the application, Google Docs, YouTube, it will captures in background automatically and share the details to the web application. You can see entire details from this dashboard itself. Actually, I'm thinking of, okay, let's use this TimeCamp application for my tracking, but I'm not using this application as well because I'm using another application. Even though it's feature rich, it's free, it have nice UI, I'm not using this. I'm using another application. I will reveal that in a minute. Wait. Okay, it have a lot of features. You can see if you right click, you can showcase a lot of things, and web application actually pretty solid. It showcases every single activity that you did, but again, I'm not using this. That's the idea. Okay, let's pause this. Let's quit, exit. Okay, let's move to the next application. That is Timely. Yeah, again, Timely is another application. The problem is it's not free. It has some cool features, I think, but the problem is it's not free, so I didn't test the application. So in case anyone using this application, you can give a feedback on this video comment section. Let me know it's worth it to spend money or not. It has a lot of features: automatic time tracking, idle detection, location tracking, a lot of features you can use in case if you want. But I'm not big fan of this because it's not free. They're not offering any free or trial or demo anything. Okay, let's move to the next application, DeskTime. To be frank, to be frank, this is the only application I'm using. Yeah, it's not good UI wise, it's not have a lot of features like Rize, but it's, let's say I'm showcasing my task manager. You can see in case I'm opening Rize application, wait a minute, it takes more than 200-300 megapixel of RAM. You can see it taking 380 MB of RAM, 400. It's taking a lot of RAM, but now I'm showcasing DeskTime, just taking 15 megapixel of entire memory of my computer. It's so super light, it's complete free, it have a lot of features, it have web application, you can track everything like Rize, it giving detailed report. I'm going to close Rize because I'm going to end Rize application because I installed for demo purpose. I'm just ending this. I'm just ending this as well because it taking a lot of RAM. I don't want to waste my RAM, compute on my RAM. Okay, you can see bottom of my screen, you can see a icon like green little cute icon. If you click, you can see a lot of things. Actually, you can create a lot of projects, you can create a lot of tasks inside the project itself. I created a YouTube project, LinkedIn project, research project, business project. Actually, I created some projects. Within the project, I can create some like task itself. Okay, actually it's already running a project, YouTube editing project I'm running. You can stop and simply you can create a new project. You can say I create a lot of project in case I'm click YouTube, or in case I'm click client work. I can create any work like client content creation, like that. I can start the project. It actually running in background automatically. If we click this icon, it automatically opens in a new window. You can see how cool it is. It's showcasing everything. You can filter by day, week, anything. When I started, is now I'm online or offline, how much time I spent productive, desk time, how much time I opened this desktop without sleeping, shutdowning. So it's showcasing everything. You can see it showcasing every single details. I'm spending my time on Google Docs, Notion, Toggl, Google, DeskTime. It's showcasing everything. It's complete free. I'm spending my time on Instagram. How much time? 4 minutes. Rize. You can track every single thing. In case if you move this like Instagram or like what, yeah, I actually school is the app, you can learn anything. I can move this to productive application. I think you can see it will refresh and move that thing to productive. You can get the detailed info. If I click the weekly schedule, it's showcasing everything. I'm spending my time on where in productive or not. I spending 1 hour on LinkedIn, Notion, ChatGPT, Google Chrome. It tracks everything. It's super lightweight, it's complete free. It have a lot of features. In case if you have the team, you can add team members as well. It's complete free. They're giving 12-day trial of complete team thing, but it's working so nice, so cool. You can track everything. It will track everything. It's lightweight, it's simple to use. You don't need to spend a lot of time to learn this tool. So this is the application I'm using personally to track my time. In case if anyone looking free, lightweight, entire future reach application, but UI wise it's not so good like Rize, but it's easy. It's not taking 500 megabits RAM of my computer. It's just 10 MB RAM. It's so lightweight. It's like a Windows future. Okay. It have a lot of filters. Project wise you can do many things. Okay, I'm ending this video over here. You can see I showcased a lot of application: Rize, Toggl, Clockify, Paymo, TimeCamp, tracking time, time lead, DeskTime. I would suggest use DeskTime or TimeCamp. It's free. Super cool. You can use Paymo as well, Clockify as well. It's also free. Easy to use. You can get detailed reports. Toggl, in case if you're not big fan of UI, you can use Toggl. But Rize is not free. In case it's free, definitely I will use Rize only. So for now I'm using DeskTime. It's working so cool, free, lot of things. I hope this video would be helpful for you. I'm ending this video over here. Let's catch up in the another video. Until then, I make a on duck kick go down go down.